With your billet inserts like the transmission, subframe, and differential, will I still have to worry about replacing the rubber bushing underneath, or will I eventually still have to replace the rubber? So our inserts go inside the factory rubber bushings, and they don't prevent the base rubber bushing from degrading or having issues. However, once you remove uh, that much of the movement from a rubber bushing like that, it will typically last a lot longer. Um, Imagine having a rubber band just sitting on a desk with, maybe a rubber band around the outside of something, sort of snug, and another rubber band where you're just pulling it like this. Which one do you think is going to last longer? So we take a lot of the load and movement out of the rubber bushing by putting the insert in there. So we take up all that space inside the rubber bushings kind of structure, so that the rubber has nowhere to move or go. So that does help it last. Not to say that you wouldn't eventually have to replace it, but I feel like for the most part,
It
people
moves,
aren't having to do
yeah, it
that.
removes a lot of that cycling that you
Yeah,
get, the large movement cycling.
yeah.